much another video. Very busy day today. We got a lot of errands to run. We have a big old box here in the G80. Comment down below, what do you guys think is in this box, bro? It's huge. I'm not gonna lie. It fits all the way to the front. I can barely shift gears with my arm right here. But what do you guys think is in this box? Here's a hint. It's a new mod for the G80, another one. But today's a busy day. We're gonna go right now to pick up Kevin. He's at the tint shop. He's tinting his new car, which you guys probably saw in the vlog yesterday. I'm gonna go pick him up from the tint shop. Then he's gonna come with me, and we got like about a 40-minute drive. We're gonna pick a new color for the G80, guys. I'm excited to pick a color. I have like a few colors in mind in the top of my head. I'll let you guys know once I get there, and then we're gonna look at more samples that they have while we're there. So it's gonna be an exciting day, picking a new color for the G80. And then also later on, I believe we're gonna stop at Daniel's house and we're gonna install this new mod, as well as one more mod which is already at Daniel's house. So 2 new mods on the G80 today, and picking a new wrap color, which we'll be wrapping very, very, very soon. The other mod's actually gonna be a huge difference, bro. Like honestly, I think that's gonna change the car the most. And I'm kind of nervous of how that other mod's gonna look on the car. That mod for sure is gonna get love or hate. I feel like people are gonna either love it or they're either gonna hate it. We're gonna get some mixed reviews for sure. But we're gonna try it out, see how the car looks, and I'm excited. Alright guys, it's been a few hours now and I'm stressed, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Check this out. We just met up with our friends over at Tone. Guys, they have so many colors to choose from and I'm stressed. I swear finding your next wrap for your car is probably the most stressful thing in the world, bro. They have over like 160 colors, I believe. I think by the end of the year, they're trying to get to like 300 colors. Insane. That is wild to me. They got everything from gloss to sparkly to chromes to even matte finishes on that side and that book. I don't know what to do, guys. Look, they even got a freaking unicorn color right here. Look, celestial unicorn. Literally like my old GTR wrap. That is so crazy. Oh, Nikon. You guys gotta help me out. What color should we wrap the G80? Because I really want to wrap it soon. It's so loud. I want to wrap it soon, guys, like literally within the next week or 2. So I really need you guys' help. What color should we do it? I know you guys see this right off the bat, mint green. Oh my god, I feel like that will look crazy. It's literally just like the BMW mint green that I was looking at in that one dealership. They got lava orange, they got Toronto red, a bunch of BMW colors. Literally like the BMW factory colors.
Bro, you need to do orange. Stop playing.
Fire orange. You know Kevin wants me to do this. It's actually a sick orange. You can see like the pearl in it. These colors are so freaking nice. Even got tanzanite blue, like the OEM BMW color. Even the Portimao, is that how you say it, blue? They have so many colors to choose from. So you guys gotta understand how stressful this is, bro. What color should I do, G? We gotta choose something from this booklet, but I don't know which one I want.
Go Tiffany.
It's
bro.
So hard to pick a color, bro. I swear it's the most stressful thing.
Right there.
What? Damn.
I said too.
I know. I think everyone's gonna vote for mint green, to be honest.
Trust.
It's really nice. It's literally just like the factory color. But they got a lot of BMW colors. They have like tanzanite blue, Portimao blue, all that stuff. Toronto red.
Nah, fuck the reds.
No red? They even got matte colors too. Let me show you guys. They even got like matte finishes. These are all the satin and matte. These are pretty cool too. This one's very cool. Check this out. Ghost Chrome Romaine red. Very sick color. Look at it in the sun, bro. Wow. That is sick, to be honest. How would that look on the G80, guys? I'm literally not gonna be able to sleep tonight trying to pick one of these colors. The red is really sick though.
Either this, mint, this ice blue.
The blue's hard too.
That shit is hard. Or do like one of these pinks. You know that piggy bank?
Yeah, piggy bank would be cool.
That shit is hard. Or just do the mint green.
Yeah, I don't know, bro.
You bought the one in the showroom.
I bought the $130,000 one, guys. Anyways, help me out down below, guys. Comment down below what color should we do from this booklet. Let me go through them real quick so you guys can get an idea, and you guys can comment down below, all right? I'm gonna skim through them quick, so just read the number, read the name, and let me know. What do you guys think? Just going through them. Got some oranges, some reds. Here's all the different shades of red. Strawberry red. These are pretty cool, little sparkles in it. This kind of looks like Dravic Gray from BMW. Got a bunch of, or that one kind of does, huh? That's literally Dravic Gray, bro. It's so crazy how wraps have evolved throughout the years. Like this literally looks like paint, bro. This one's really, really sick too. I don't know, comment down below, guys, let me know. I don't know, guys, comment down below. Let me know if you guys see a color that you like. comment it down below. Write it in the comments. More blues, more greens. There's too many colors. Some yellows. Yellow would be pretty cool. Some pinks. More pinks. Now look at this thing. Sheesh.
Yo guys, shout out to Chris. Bro, dude.
Damn, bro. There's too many. I can't pick. Obviously, I love the mint green. I feel like it'll suit the FindingNick OG setup on my E92. This is the first ever wrap color I've ever did in my entire life on my E92. It had to have been like 7-6 years ago. I don't even remember, bro. I obviously love all my reds. All my cars have been red at one point, so I'm torn between doing red as well. I really do like these blues as well, especially the ice blue. I think it look really sick. It's kind of like a Miami blue kind of. And then another color that I'm debating on doing is this super sick chrome red that I showed you guys. Look at that. It's literally like a little mirror, bro. So you guys got to help me out. Comment down below. Like I said, this is the most stressful thing in building your car, is picking a color to do. So
Still haven't decided?
no, bro.
Babe,
I'm not gonna
hard.
I'm not gonna be able to sleep at night, bro. I'm gonna be thinking about this shit
Okay,
all
what color are you going
night,
back,
bro.
between what?
Like fire orange or something. No, just
Please
kidding.
do it, bro. For
orange.
sure, make me want a GAX even more.
You get a G80 and you wrap it this color, bro.
That too.
And then I'll do the mint, and then it'll literally be like our old pictures. You guys know how many pictures we have of our cars like this, our
together.
E92s?
Yeah.
And then imagine we have the G80s. Oh my god, I'll be
Yeah, we've
sick,
been together for
bro.
a long time, honestly.
Bro, maybe this.
Nah. Imagine.
Comment down below. Help me out, because it's not an easy choice, I swear. Very soon, literally within a week or two, we're gonna be wrapping it. You just gotta pick a color, that's it. Anyways, we made it here to Daniel's house now. We got Kevin. Kevin brought the Bronco. We got Nikon pulled up, Chris pulled up. Chris and Kevin were arguing. Why is he mad at you?
Because I didn't go through him to get the Bronco.
That's because Chris works at Ford, and Kevin went to another Ford dealer and bought that instead of going through Chris. Why'd you do that, G?
I don't know, but look at the window tint. Holy shit, bro.
He doesn't even care.
Bro, that shit is dark as...
Oh yeah, you turned in the windows. I forgot. You hate him?
Bro, I'm sorry.
We talked it out. It's okay.
We're together again.
Now I can follow you back on Instagram.
The way he unfollowed you.
I blocked your number too.
Yeah, bro, I would never go to another salesperson, bro. Like, I would only go to my homies, bro.
What up, whore?
That's fucked up. Daniel's G80. This thing's wrapped in I'm just kidding, imagine. He really unfollowed him. A lot of people commented to do a midnight purple, but it will look just like Daniel's car. It'd be cool, but I don't want to copy Daniel, you know? I gotta do something completely different. Who has a mint green G80 over here?
know.
Nobody, huh?
That's just sexy.
Whenever you wrap it, I'm a copy.
Imagine. Daniel?
How's it going?
Hi.
My bad. No,
It's okay.
How's it going?
Good. They said that you're always swagged out working on cars.
Bro, what do you mean?
He is, bro, I swear. What are you doing this? Oil change?
Yeah. Well, actually, we did coilovers.
Damn.
We did EC coilovers. Right now, I'm just finishing up the oil change.
That's sick. That is so nice, bro.
You can adjust the damper. and
Oh,
the
shoot.
window, like right here.
That's pretty sick. You already seen him?
Yeah.
Did it look cool? Should we show him?
But, don't get in my mind.
Or should we wait? First mod is the one that you guys saw in here, the big box. So this is actually from my boys over at West Coast Euros. West Coast Euros, you guys are familiar with them. They did the F80 headlights when I did the icons on my F80. And then we also got the diffuser from them that's on this G80. Now we're about to have these on there. Hopefully these fit. If you guys haven't guessed already, they're actually side skirts. So these are actually side skirts extensions. So as you guys seen, we already have the carbon fiber like OEM style side skirt. Those are gonna be like an extra layer of carbon, more like an extension. It's gonna be like 2 layers of carbon if it fits. I'm not sure if they're like bolt onto these. I'm assuming because these are like the OEM style and then these bolt onto the OEM side skirts. So they should fit. Then we got something in the back, very special for my boy Brian. Let me show you real quick. My boy Brian, M3 Flight on Instagram. I'll leave it linked right here. I've known Brian for years, back when I had an E92, bro. She got a G80. I think I only saw it like one time, unfortunately. And then he got in a freaking accident, bro. Very similar to my freaking car accident. Thankfully he's okay, and he might be getting something new soon. But look what he gave me off of his G80, guys. This is the armrest, so like the center armrest that goes in the middle of the seats. This thing is so beautiful, bro. It has M Performance on there, it has the M Performance stitching and the colors. Cannot wait to install this. I actually wanted this so freaking bad, and Brian knew that, so he actually gifted me this. So huge shout out to Brian. Everyone say thanks to Brian in the comments. But not only do we have the side skirts and the armrest, we also have one more special mod from West Coast Euros. It's gonna change the entire look of the G80. Check this out. Again, I want to give a huge shout out to my boys at West Coast Euros. Any guesses before we get further? Comment down below. 3, 2, 1. Check this out. I don't know. Some people might hate it. Some people might love it. But we're doing clear taillights on the G80, bro. This is gonna be a huge freaking difference from the red to the clear. And honestly, I think it's gonna suit this car better than any other color, especially with the clear. Bro, it literally matches my freaking paint, bro. Damn, it looks so good actually. Also, when it lights up, it literally looks red. It looks OEM, but
Exactly.
when it's off, yeah, it looks like this. It's literally gonna change the whole rear end, guys.
The only G80 in the valley with this.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen anyone rock these. A lot of people do like the, I think they call the OLEDs or something like that. Everyone does those. So these are like more like a OEM style, just with them being clear. It's literally gonna look so different, bro.
Rich.
Rich.
G80 key, you got the GTR key. I'm trying to
The
be
Nissan
like you, my
Altima
boy.
key. It's literally a Nissan Altima key, bro. There's no difference between a Nissan Altima and the GTR key.
Except for the letters. Best part is that it's a plug and play.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Yeah.
It should be just plug and play.
Yeah.
And we came to Daniel to install it. What? Oh, yeah, Chris didn't know. I think it's gonna look really cool in this color, bro. It's literally like Brooklyn Gray almost. I have not seen a G80 with these yet. Am I the first one? I don't know. But they would also look good on Daniel's car. The clear?
Yeah.
I feel like they would look really cool on the purple. Should we see real quick?
It's gonna match your car.
Oh, it's literally gonna match my car. Damn, it actually does look pretty cool in the purple too.
Damn.
Really cool, actually.
It does look good.
You should just test fit it.
I know we should test fit them today.
Test it, man.
Bigger transformation in a month.
I know, literally 1 month transformation. The car looks completely different, bro.
I like V1 a lot.
Yeah. All right, guys. Taking this apart. It's a bunch of tabs. But again, I don't trust myself doing it, so Daniel's helping me out.
There we go, guys. It's a lot easier, you know, like it's got a lot of push pins, so it might seem like if you're breaking stuff, but it's just really these clips just coming undone.
Yeah.
We have access to all the
Tail light.
tail lights. Just make sure to disconnect this. This is gonna be for your
All for the
trunk
yeah.
unlock.
Bro, this is gonna look crazy. It's so different, bro. And honestly, I feel like it's gonna suit my car the best, like with the paint.
I'm gonna have to get on mine now. Just to check.
I think it'll look cool in Daniel's car too.
Wow. Dude,
It looks
crazy.
way different,
Wait,
bro.
close the trunk all the way?
On this color.
No, it
Dude,
looks
that
sick.
looks sick.
On this
It looks
color, it
sick.
looks really
Yeah,
good.
on this color, it looks
I
good.
love when we change it.
That's why I told you that. Back,
Yeah.
yeah, it
It just
depends
goes.
the
It
color.
blends perfect with the gray.
Now I'm even more
Wow.
stressed on what color to wrap it.
On Tiffany blue.
No, this looks really good.
It look good on Tiffany.
It might. We're gonna try to replace this armrest right now. It should be easy. I remember doing it on my F80 back in the day. If you guys remember that vlog, we had to pop this little piece off. Got this little plastic trim tool. All right. Pop this off.
Yeah, he's just gonna do that thing.
Or the wheel hub, whatever.
There you go. It's a little plastic trim tool. We'll take that off. Now we got this part off. We gotta take out this little pin. I believe there's 2 pins right there. It has to come out that way. One comes out this way, and then it should just come off. There you go. Pull out these pins. Pull out this pin. Bro, I think I still have the F80 stock put at home too. Of this.
Oh, no way.
I have so many extra parts, guys. Like,
You should give it away. Sign it
I
and give it
know.
away.
That would be cool. Bro, I have E92 stock suspension still. Insane. I have all that suspension. I have the stock F80 suspension. I have a GTR steering wheel. I have a 350Z steering wheel. I had an F80 steering wheel, but I gave it to freaking David. Like, I have so many parts at home. I have a G80 exhaust. I have stock GTR wheels, black edition wheels. I have stock G80 wheels now. Bro, I have a lot of parts.
You should definitely, yeah, put it up for sale if you're
I
not
know.
gonna reuse it.
Nick, can we smoke in your car?
Done. Look at them. Taillights are done. See how it looks. Oh my god. It's way different, bro. You know what I do need to do, and now I can notice a lot, is these reflectors. The red reflectors that match the red taillights. Now that we don't have red taillights, they stand out so much. We gotta either wrap those or color match them ASAP, bro. But dude, the taillights are crazy. So different, bro. Look at the side skirt too. We just got this side on. Looks super freaking good. Look, 2 layers of carbon, bro. So good. Hella aggressive. Bro, this car looks ridiculous, I swear, bro. What do you guys think about the side skirt? Well, side skirt on top of side skirt. Super freaking sick. We just put on the clear taillights as well. All from West Coast Euros. I'll leave a link down below, guys, if you guys need any carbon fiber, clear taillights, or side skirts for your G80 and everything else. They have so much freaking parts for G80s, G82s, and other BMWs as well. Hit them up. I'll leave a link down below, guys. I haven't done this side yet, but there's a detailer outside. He's gonna get the car all clean for me. We're gonna get the car all washed and then bring it back into Daniel's house and get the other side skirt on. So for now, we got one side skirt. But let's get the car clean because I don't even remember the last time this car's been clean. Look how dirty these wheels are, bro. This doesn't look like gunmetal and they're brown. What do you guys think? Final results from today. We did a lot of freaking mods, bro. Foremost, we did the side skirt extensions from my boys at West Coast Euros. I think it's kind of cool. 2 layers of carbon fiber. I've never seen it done before. Maybe I'm the first one to do that. I'm not sure, but they also have like a little splat that I can add under here. So I have like 2 layers right here too. So super aggressive. I might do that soon. So the tail lights look amazing, bro. When they're on, you honestly cannot tell. They look OEM, bro. They look fully red. You can't even tell that they're clears. It's really, really cool. I like that because at night you can't even tell. What's really throwing it off though is these freaking reflectors. So I ordered this little like overlay, like a blackout overlay. They should be here within like 2 days. But yeah, I really don't like this red right here because it really stands out from the clear taillights and the red reflectors. I also got a car wash, so the car looks freaking beautiful, bro. Like, it's ridiculously clean. My freaking camera died, guys, so we're on the iPhone now, but these taillights are sick. If you guys want them for your G80, you know exactly where to go. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want these. Hold on, let me turn them off real quick so you can see. Check that out. Look how good they look, bro. Especially on my paint color. I honestly don't know what color G80 would rock these taillights best than the Brooklyn Gray. Like, it literally looks color matched to my paint, bro. Super freaking good. I love it, honestly. Comment down below, what do you guys think about the new taillights? This car overall looks ridiculous. Like, it does not look anything like when we first bought it. A huge transformation in just 1 month, guys. And lastly, huge shout out to my boy Daniel for helping me install all of the mods on this freaking car. Literally all of them. So shout out to Daniel. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, comment down below, what color did we wrap it? Help me out, and what else should we do to it? What should be the next mod, guys? Even though we've been doing so much to this car. The car looks crazy, bro. I counted it up yesterday. We got like $20,000 worth of freaking mods on this car already. Over $20,000 worth of mods, which is mind-blowing, bro. Yeah. This car is not stock anymore.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.